Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW E46, guys, this is the 3 Series from year 1998 to 2006, and you're guys having problems with your ground wires and you're trying to find where the ground wires are for the body, for the chassis, stay with us and we will explain, guys. You have two hidden locations, guys, where you have ground wires, and we're going to cover all that today. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this, on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. So let me show you now where the ground wires are and what I'm talking about. So we have this 2005 BMW. Even if you have a Sedan or a Coupe or a Convertible, the procedure is about the same. As you can see, we already removed the seat. Front seat is out of the car. Okay, this is the passenger seat and we have the driver's seat out as well. And we're going to explain now, if you guys have problems with your ground wire, battery drain due to bad ground wire, bad ground, sometimes we will explain, guys, what could cause that. Now once you remove your seats, okay, the video will be on the channel how to do that. You can see this is your carpet right here, and under the carpet now, guys, okay, if you pull the carpet this way, okay, we're going to keep it down like that. You're going to notice right here, guys, this is your ground wire pack for the passenger side. Okay, check out how many ground wires it comes out of that thing. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 13 or 14 ground wires. And in order, guys, okay, to remove and clean it, all you have to do, remove that, okay, that nut right there, remove it, clean it, because sometimes you get corrosion here. Moisture will sneak there, or if somebody shampooed the car too much, got the carpet wet, or the car was in a flood, that ground wire will be damaged, guys. So you need to clean it. Now, this is okay. Now ours is clean. We wanted to show you where it's located. You have okay, you have one or two more. Let me show you now where. So if you come to the driver's side of the vehicle, okay, the seat is already removed, as you can see. And now right here, guys, okay, we're going to lift the carpet one more time. Okay, we're going to lift the carpet, and towards right here you have another, guys, ground wire pack. The same thing, you have so many of them. And if you pull this thing right here, you have more ground wires. All that is, guys, ground wires. And as a result, if any of those is bad, you can experience really weird things with your car, things that are hard to diagnose, even battery drains, okay, could be one of those things, or things just not working in your vehicle. So it could be due to ground wires, guys. So always check those. Why? Because there on the bottom, if you have a leak somewhere on your body, water will sneak here, okay, and as a result, guys, they will corrode and cause trouble. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.